Y'all, look at the carrots that I just pulled up. And I was actually just pulling these up because I was just like, I need the space, and I wasn't seeing the tops of them, so I felt like they was probably really little, but these are actually big enough for me to do something with. This is my total harvest for the day. I got a good amount of kale, a whole bunch of kale, a whole bunch of kale. And these are the carrots that you see. I got a couple of purple ones, but that's today's harvest. They're pretty purple. Oh yeah, those are pretty. Look at all of this kale. Like, wow.